G'day everyone, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're doing a quick look at the protective standing cover by Samsung for the Galaxy Note 9. So it's made from military grade plastics. You know, they've probably got all the fancy names in the world for it in terms of what it's made of. So that's pretty much all you get. There's the case. Throw that away. Chuck that. Chuck that. Here we are with the case. Now, first things first, feels like hard plastic on the outside, soft plastic on the inside. It actually feels really good. I'm actually said in my other videos, I'm always a fan of the Samsung accessories. I think they're made well, they last a long time, they're a good quality product. Here we've got ports for everything down the bottom here. So you've got your headphone jack, USB Type-C, your microphone, your speaker, and your S Pen. On the back, you've got your two cameras, heart rate sensor, flash, and fingerprint sensor. Button there for your power on off. The useless Bixby button there, and the volume up and down there. And on the top, microphone cutout. My Galaxy Note 9, I tell you what, I love this device. I upgraded from the S8 Plus to a Note 9. And to be honest with you, I really could not be happier. Does it fit in easy? Yes. Click straight into place and it feels good. Straight off the bat, it feels like a good, sturdy case. Now, my friend was asking me, does it add a lot of bulk to it? And I said, mate, the Galaxy Note 9 is bulky to start with. It's a big slab of technology. So you do want it protected. This is going to protect it, at least if you drop it on the back or on the corners, possibly. Face down, it's not really going to protect it. There's a little bit of lip protection here and here. The sides, none, obviously, because you do want to be able to use the side of the device. So if I unlock it, there we go. And swipe to that side for Bixby. So everything seems to work pretty well there. Let's see about the S Pen. It's actually nice and easy to grab. Goes in nice and easy as well. Let's see if there's any bounce back from the camera. So the reason I take these photos with the case on, sometimes if you get a really bright case, you get some reflection that comes off the edge of the camera cutout. So that's why I always like to take a photo. And if it was a bad case, you would see some blackness or some greyness around the outsides. That is reflection from the camera cutouts. You often see that on your cheap cases, and if they're bright pink or something, you might see a pink tinge to it. So it's good to see there's no bounce back from the camera cutouts. I am impressed. The Samsung Galaxy Protective Standing Case seems to work really well. I'll put on one of my own videos so I don't upset anyone. Unboxing of a Note 9.
Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today
seems to work quite well. Does what you want it to. It stands up. Check the volume up and down. Nice and tactile. You don't have to press too hard. And they're going to get accidentally triggered by the case. Bixby button. You know what? I'd actually be grateful if that didn't work, but it does. It works well. And the power button on, off. Works well as well. All in all, a good quality case from Samsung. That's going to be my new case that I'm rocking all the time. I did appreciate that Samsung threw in this in the box with the device, but that for me is just to stop it getting scratched while I'm out looking to buy a proper case. Make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. I will be reviewing more cases very soon. I have some Rinky ones on the way and a couple of others as well, so I'll be checking those right out. Comments down below, questions, all that stuff. I appreciate you watching my videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Check ya.